This is the bowstring bridge that you are about to make. At the moment it's shown just perched on a couple of boxes and has got some 45mm track just laid on it to give you some idea of scale. It's not an easy kit to build, in fact it's extremely difficult and intricate. Not to be undertaken lightly. You can see the underside view has got a fair view of trusses. You can obviously see the detail. I would not advise it as a first time kit, but the video that follows is a full descriptive video of me actually building this bridge we're looking at now. I've done a stress analysis, of which a video is also included, which you can view. It's important that you watch all the videos all the way through of each part of construction. It will tell you what parts you need and how complicated it is. Only when you've seen the video all the way through would I even suggest to you that you purchase and start this project. It has 3 aluminium extrusions running through it, 20mm by 20mm, as can be seen. They're enclosed within the box section. That gives it its rigidity. Also, the actual hoop design is a box section in its own right, which also adds the rigidity as well, which gives near enough 0.5mm deflection in the centre when it's fully loaded with 2 engines at the quoted weight passing. Here I've laid it on its sides. You can see the construction of the underside. It's braced between the 2 tracks and to the centre support and to the outer supports. Overall length is 1 metre. General spec of the bridge. It has a working internal width of 325mm. Total external width is 383mm. The internal height from the base to the first girder is 225mm. The overall height from the bottom of the truss, which you can just see there, to the very top of the hoop is 293mm. The overall length, extreme, is 1000mm. There is a suggestion that each end is supported on 50mm, and the weight without any track as built is 3.75 kilograms. The support at each end, it's important the support goes right across the full width of the bridge, as shown by this steel tube which I've just placed there for the moment. It's important that each aluminium section has a support as shown that runs right across. Do not just support at each corner, otherwise you will get a bow appearing there. I apologise in advance for the audio quality of the instructions to build the bridge. This was a bit unfortunate on my behalf, and the quality of the video is also a little bit seasick-ish, but all the details are there. And you can always email me with any questions you have. Right, to build the bow bridge you're going to need something flat and substantial to work on. So what I've got is from B&Q some shelving, and the sizes are 20 mils thick, 120 long by 40 wide. That's that sheet. And the other sheet is again 20 thick, 120 long by 30 wide. Those are the two ideal pieces to use, which you'll see how we use both of them as the build takes place.